Hey guys, have you ever wondered what women actually notice about you when you walk into a room? Hint, it's not just your looks or money. Women pick up on a ton of subtle details that most guys overlook. Today we're diving into the top 10 things women instantly notice about men and how you can use this knowledge to your advantage. Stick around because what you learn might surprise you and completely change your dating game. 1. She observes your face. It's true, women often focus on a man's face before anything else, but don't worry, you don't need to look like a movie star. Women care more about how well you take care of yourself. Studies from the University of Chicago show that grooming, like keeping your beard trimmed, eyebrows neat and hair styled, signals to women that you're confident and put together. First impressions count, so make sure your face reflects the best version of you. 2. She notices your conversation skills. Great looks might catch her eye, but good conversation keeps her interest. Women love a man who can hold an engaging, intelligent conversation. Research shows that communication is key to forming strong emotional connections. A good conversation signals not just intelligence but emotional maturity, which is super attractive to women. Show genuine interest, ask thoughtful questions, and keep things light and engaging. Avoid dull monologues at all costs. 3. She watches your smile. A smile can be your secret weapon. Women are naturally drawn to men with a genuine, confident smile. It not only shows you're approachable, but also makes her feel at ease. In fact, studies suggest that smiling releases endorphins in both you and the person you're interacting with, creating an instant, positive vibe. So if you're trying to make a connection, don't forget to flash that sincere smile. It can make all the difference. 4. She observes your style. No, you don't have to be a fashion expert, but your style matters. Women notice how you dress because your outfit reflects your personality and attention to detail. A well-dressed man exudes confidence and self-respect. It's not about expensive clothes, it's about dressing with intention. Wear clean, well-fitting clothes that showcase who you are, and you'll leave a lasting impression. 5. She notices your personality. Here's where things get interesting. Women are often intrigued by a man's personality more than his looks. That whole bad boy thing, it's not about being rude or aggressive, but rather having a bit of mystery and unpredictability. Women love men who are kind, but have a bold side. Someone who is not afraid to stand his ground. A touch of confidence with a bit of intrigue is a winning combination that keeps her wanting to know more about you. 6. She observes how you treat others. Believe it or not, how you treat others says a lot about who you are. Women pay close attention to how you interact with waitstaff, strangers, and even children or the elderly. Are you kind, patient, and respectful? These qualities show her that you're someone with strong values, traits that are incredibly attractive. A study published in Psychological Science found that kindness is a key predictor of long-term relationship success, so make sure you're radiating that. 7. She listens to the tone of your voice. A man's voice can be a major turn-on or turn-off. Women tend to be attracted to a voice that's confident but calm. Speaking too loudly or too softly can make you come off as insecure or unsure of yourself. Research published in Evolution and Human Behavior reveals that a balanced, assertive tone signals confidence, a trait universally attractive to women. So, speak clearly, calmly, and with intention. 8. She watches your body language. You might think words are the most important part of communication, but women are pros at reading nonverbal cues. Your body language, how you carry yourself, the way you stand, and even your gestures speaks volumes. Open, relaxed body language shows confidence and self-assurance. Studies suggest that people are drawn to those who show open and approachable body language, so stand tall, relax your shoulders, and make eye contact. 9. She notices your attitude. Confidence is magnetic. Women are highly attracted to men who radiate self-assurance without arrogance. Whether you're starting a conversation or just walking into a room, your attitude sets the tone. Show confidence by maintaining good posture, keeping a calm demeanor, and staying present. Insecure behaviors like fidgeting or using cheesy pickup lines are instant turn-offs. Instead, take a deep breath, smile, and approach with ease. 10. She pays attention to your physical fitness. Let's face it, women notice your body too, but don't worry, they're not expecting a bodybuilder. What they care about is how you take care of yourself. Maintaining a healthy, fit appearance is a sign of self-discipline and respect for your own body, which is highly attractive. Plus, a well-maintained body boosts your own confidence, making you more appealing without even saying a word. There you have it, the 10 things women notice most about men. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about putting your best foot forward and showing confidence in who you are. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on becoming the best version of yourself. See you in the next video.